Hello there, you guys. This is Riley here again, and I got the stupid idea to make a video about me making, cooking an acorn squash for the first time. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I decided to do it at this somewhat bizarre angle as well, but I just kind of wanted to see if I could do it. I took a look at a couple recipes here and there online. Didn't really see anything substantial. Of course, I haven't tasted an acorn squash in a while, so I just kind of decided to wing it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just show you just me just preparing it and how I went into cooking it. So I didn't realize this at the time, but it takes about 40 to 50 minutes to cook it. And that was something to find out that was pretty shocking to find out at 11 o'clock at night, if it was even that early. But yeah, the first steps, I had to like slice up. Well, they said that you could slice up an acorn squash to help it cook faster. And sorry if I am scaring you guys with the shaky knife skills. But yeah, Acorn. I haven't really. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Um, that's probably too much maple syrup. That being said, um, this is my first time doing the recipe, and I can always make changes to the next time I do it. And don't worry, I'm gonna include the recipe that I'm kind of made up based off of the online research um, in the description. And if you guys think I should alter it in any way, it didn't turn out too bad, especially for me going into this blind. But I am open to you guys having any suggestions, or if you guys want me to just do them a different way, I can make another video about it and you guys can kind of give me suggestions about it. That's one thing I like about this channel, is that I kind of want to show you guys just me learning how to do different things, and me trying to like just, I don't know, just do more in the garden, do like more homestead stuff, learning how to cook, just kind of just be more self-sufficient. So if I can help you through my mistakes, that's even better. And like we can help each other out. But yeah, right now just pouring some maple syrup over it. That felt so silly. But yeah, I think I put some maple syrup and then a little some salt over it as well. And I was just gonna keep it simple like that for right now. But yeah, stay tuned. Almost forgot to mention the nutmeg. Yeah, it seemed like from the gist of the recipes that I got online that you could almost make a sweet kind of thing. Like it almost reminded me of a sweet potato. So I kind of figured that I couldn't go wrong with adding some nutmeg to it. That's where that kind of came from. Let me know if there's anything else you guys would think that I should make work, or at least add to it. All right, so this is it. This was like after I actually got through like baking it, as odd as that sounds. Yeah, this is about the 40-minute mark, and you can see that this is like pretty tender. It didn't look too bad. Like I said, they kind of reminded me of like sweet potatoes in a certain regard. All right, now here, one thing I noticed is that like all of the stuff that kind of poured on there and stuff like that, as it was getting hot and sweating and stuff like that, it just kind of and it kind of melted off of it and kind of went more into the pan. So I wanted to put it back in there for like 5 or 10 minutes, just kind of on its side, and then kind of switch it up on the other side, just so it can kind of at least get some of that back on there. So I guess next time I'll like just keep them on their sides and then pick a time to take it out and turn it. All right, you guys, this is the finished product. This is after 5 to 10 more minutes baking in the oven after coating both sides. And yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions or if you have any recommendations for different ways to cook it. But you guys can have an awesome rest of your week, and can't wait to hear from you guys soon.